1411-1. Engine known as Oliver has been acquired. Beaten up a bit after being derailed by Harold and Herbert. Harry and Bert to the locals. The Ironworks engines. Left on siding outside the main building. Experiment 1411-2. Engine has been injected with a dosage of... Engine has complained about nausea and a pain internally. We put the engine to sleep and we'll be doing some further research.
1411-3. Researchers have tasked Harold and Herbert to block engines from entering. Engine has started to show signs of awakening. Test on nearby flat car proved successful after knocking it on its side in about one swift movement. Engine has been given anesthetics after terminating the test. 1411-4. Circulation in the face has ceased. Engine's last face is a concerned expression. New host seems to have taken over. Tendrils have grown in length and are able to hold itself off the ground. We're really making major progress now. 1411-5. Face is now removable, exposing the mouth and teeth. Tendrils can come out of the mouth now. It's getting hungry. Chapin's gone missing. Blood dripping from his mouth pretty much answered our question. We lured the Ironworks engines in and got them ready for the test. They were horrified. One of them tried running into it and the other reversed. One trying to escape derailed and was torn in half. The oil was dripping everywhere. And there was a fire. The engine went after the second one and compressed the front half, killing it instantly. Test was successful. Scrap will be sold later. 1411-7. Diesel 10 was prepped for combat test. This will be our final combat test before mission is operational. Diesel was brought in and combat commenced. D10 held a decent fight, calling it multiple names. Creature, beast, monster. But the engine got the upper hand. Engine ripped off the hydraulic claw on the roof and tore off a buffer. Diesel 10 was powerless and begged for mercy, apologizing to steam engines in general. Engine took the thin end of the claw and jammed it into the middle of D10's face. We have decided to call it the Beast. 1411-8. Towed brake van to monitor the... This'll help us be able to figure out